Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you a best audio or video conference application that you could use either in your computer, phone, Android phone, or iPhone, or either in Mac. Okay? So the application that I'm referring to is this BlueJeans. Okay? So why I'm saying that this BlueJeans is one of the best web conferencing that you could ever use. Why? Because actually more than I mean people all over the world have used it and they just have loved they love the features about this one. Okay? So here you can either join as a guest or just sign in. So in my case, I have just joined as a guest, and then here you can simply input the meeting ID that you want to join, the passcode, and enter your name. And here at the upper center, you can turn on your camera or you can simply mute your video and either unmute or mute your audio. And here it has this camera, the microphone that you are using, and the speaker that you used in your device. Okay, so where to download this one? Just have to simply go to your Google Chrome, and then here at the search bar just search for BlueJeans. BlueJeans app download for PC, and you just have to go to this first option of the results and click that. And you just have to click this get the latest version rather to download here. And one more good thing about this is it's free. It's very conventional. It's very redundant and it's convenient to use. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.